In this video, I'm going to show you all two methods to sidechain kick and bass. Let's get into it. Okay guys, right now as you can see I have a simple drum pattern going on here with just a bass, and I'm going to run it to make you all hear what it sounds like. You see, look at this right here, the EQ. You see how the bass is ducking each time the kick hits. Okay guys, first method is using Fruity Pick controller and the Paremetric EQ. Let's go guys. First off, make sure the kick is selected. You go to your mixer slot right there, scroll, look for Fruity Pick controller. Where is it at? Fruity Pick controller right there. So open, you go to the bass right there and you turn it up to 50. Turn it up to 50, and the volume, just reset it for now because later on we'll be going back to it. Now on your 808, you open the Paremetric EQ 2. Alright, what you do now, you go to the first band 1, like this right here, reset it. You go to band 1, you right click, scroll down, link to controller, you go to internal controller and you choose pick controller, that's right. And you go down to mapping formula, you go down and input, you choose inverted and you accept, and you press play. Now nothing's gonna happen, right? But look at that now. You go to the Fruity Pick controller volume and you turn it to the right, and look at that. Yeah man guys, and then you tweak to your liking, but don't use your eyes, use your ears. So listen to see if it's enough. Yeah, and that's the decay knob. The decay knob, you can also turn it to the right so that it will keep the bass docked a little longer, or to your left, any way that you like. But listen to it first to see what it really does to the sample. Okay guys, so that's all the first method guys. Next method, we're gonna sidechain the kick and the bass using the Fruity limiter. Okay, first thing you do, you go to your kick again, make sure it's highlighted. Then you go to your 808, you go down to this knob right here, the green knob, the enable send, you right click and you choose sidechain to this track, like that. Now you go to your 808, you go to your mixer slot, now you look for Fruity limiter. Fruity limiter. Now when Fruity limiter is open, what you do right now guys, you select comp. Now you go to sidechain, you right click, you choose your kick, and now let's play the sample and let's start this one tweaking. First off guys, nothing won't happen yet. First that's how I always do it, I set my ratio to 2.5. You can go 3.1. Is there's no magical number about that. Is listening to the audio to your own songs. And now you play with the threshold to bring it down. Yeah man guys, look at that. See the purple spot is in right there, so that is where the kick punches into the bass. Don't overdo it, like go right down, so you know, unless if you're looking for a pumping effect like the EDM. If you're doing EDM, yeah, you could go for that sound. But yeah, so guys, yeah man, So guys, that is how you sidechain kick and bass in FlStudio using the two methods, the Fruity Pick controller, the Parametric EQ, and using the Fruity limiter. Please like this video, subscribe, comment, and you don't know, your boy is out. Peace.